掲げたトマトこまでもでか何でも叶う魔法の時間ワンナイマジックそんな時間へんてこまいへんてこまいそんなの気にせず踊って初めてだって関係ない好きにしちゃって It's alright 人生なんて無駄
Hello guys, it's KRISHGAMEHACKER. Welcome back to another tutorial, and in this one I'll be doing a beat sync tutorial. If you're probably here, you're looking for beat sync tutorial, or you're either from my Instagram, which you should definitely follow. It's either KRISHGAMEHACKER. You can see it on the screen right now. So yeah, to start this tutorial we'll need a few things. One is a song which you want to match your beats, and two is footage. So let me go grab my song which I'll be using for this tutorial. So I'm going to use this one. So anyway, I'll be using this one. Let's create a composition or sequence. Let's go to settings. We'll have a custom one. Change it to 60 fps, but yeah, because yeah, 1920 to 1080. I'm going to make a 1080p sequence. So let me just double click this so I can see the audio over here. I'll drag the audio, put it over here. This is what I'll use. And let me get some footage. For this footage I'll just use my previous footage which I used for the original song, as you can see. Yeah, so I'll just use this one, footage from here. Okay, let's go footage. So for example, I have all my footage over here. So the next thing which we do is make sure your clips are like trimmed. If you have a long clip, or if you just have a short clip, then it's fine, but make sure whatever you want to show is in the first second of the clip. For example, I want to show in my montage, I want to show the first second to be me shooting this person. That's the first clip. So each time a beat strikes, you want to make sure you're killing that person, or in your other rare cases you want to make sure you do the full thing or whatever you want to do. So let's get started. Let's make this thing sync to the beats. So there's one more preparation thing you need to do, is to make sure what are the beats. Unfortunately there's not enough software things that will tell you that these are the beats. It might be more inconsistent. So what we're going to do is manually mark this place to see which are the points you want it to transition. So this is basically intro of the song, so I'm just going to remove that. Press C to have this cut tool, remove it over here. V for selection, click on that, delete, and delete again. So that will just get rid of the empty space, and make sure that selected the timeline before starting. And do not select this one because we don't want the markers to be on this thing. You want them onto this, and make sure you do not move this. So let's lock that. So you do not move this side to side. So let's get started and making the markers. M is for the marker, by the way. Let's start. So you might make mistakes like this. See already, I just placed a beat which is not at the same position. So just Control Z your way and start again. Not a big deal. It takes time. Don't worry. Okay, this is master beat over here. Let's play that again. Okay, I think we have enough things. We can have more, but this is enough for the tutorial. So we'll just make this mark out. So this is the place we'll be using. So what we have to do is next to select all the clips we have marked the in and out, or have your short clips. Then after selecting it, make sure your playhead is on the starting, because the thing which we are going to do is going to use the marker after the playhead. You want to make sure your playhead is starting. Again, select this area. Let's reselect this one, it's going to be better. Select all of that. Then go to the top, press clip, and automate to sequence. Over here, select your order into selection order, add unnumbered markers, override edit, use in and out range, ignore audio, and press OK. And as you can see, it sorted all of these exactly to the starting of the beat. So I'll show you that. These are just redundant. You can remove that. Okay. Yeah, let's clear in and out. Okay, so look at this.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.
That was a very clean edit. And I could post that, but I already used the same clip, so it's not reasonable. But that's how you make your beat syncs, and it's quick and easy and simple. So make sure, if you like the video and if you found it helpful, just lay down a like. And if you have any issues or doubts, you can leave them in the comments below. And a subscribe would be helpful if you watched 1 or 2 more of my videos. That means you like my videos and YouTube is recommending them to you. So that would be helpful if you're willing to learn more or enjoy your time on YouTube. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
I've been stumbling around between the lines of red and blue. I was coloring thoughts for the sake of finding truth.